In this edition of Your Alberta Online, a long-term vision for Alberta, health information at the click of a mouse, and an innovative new heart centre. Now, here's your host, Kim Missick.
Welcome to Your Alberta Online, a regular webcast to help you stay connected to Alberta government news and events. First up today, Premier Ed Stelmach has released the report of the Premier's Council on Economic Strategy. Shaping Alberta's Future outlines ideas on how to position Alberta for long-term prosperity. It makes recommendations on realizing the full potential of the province's energy resources and broadening its economic base.
This report is going to cause Albertans to think long-term. Albertans have got to start thinking long-term, and so hopefully, while there'll be all kinds of different takes, some people will agree with this and they won't agree with that, or they'll have new ideas, and that's great.
One of the things I really like about it is, there's the push for government direction and government leadership, but there's also, a push that Albertans need to take ownership over this stuff too, and you can't wait for someone to do it for you.
It is proactive. It is encouraging Albertans to reach out. We've assumed for too long that because we have such a vast resource base, the world will beat a path to our door. We have to actually begin beating that path to the world, and I think the report leads us in that direction.
For more information on the Premier's Council on Economic Strategy and to read the report, go to alberta.ca. New online health tools are now available to Albertans. My Health Alberta connects Albertans to trusted healthcare information and services, providing the information and tools Albertans need to be better partners in decision-making when it comes to their healthcare and personal well-being.
That is, there's lots of information on the web, but what we wanted to provide was a trusted source of information that Alberta clinicians had an opportunity to review, to look at, and that we could add Alberta-specific content to.
You could live in Aden, Alberta, down on the border, or Medicine Hat, or Rainbow Lake, or Jasper, or Provost. And My Health is equally accessible to people, and it helps people ensure that they have world-class information to help support their own decisions.
Certainly in the area of modernization to information technology, you're very lucky to live in a province like this, because you are actually leading the country.
Information on surgical wait times is now also available at the click of a mouse on the new Alberta Wait Times Reporting website.
If we're able to show you what the reported wait times are by physician and by facility, general practitioners will be able to work more quickly with their patients, for example, to find specialists with shorter wait times and to ensure Albertans receive timely care where and when it's needed.
When completed next year, the next phase of My Health Alberta will provide secure login to track your own personal health data. And when it's completed in 2015, it'll provide Albertans with secure access to their electronic health records, a first for Canada, and another way Alberta is working hard to improve our health system. Alberta is home to a new world-class heart centre. The Hui Heart Centre at the Royal Alexandra Hospital in Edmonton brings heart care programs together on one floor with a focus on prevention and minimally invasive operations.
Opening of this heart centre will mean better cardiac care for patients in central and northern Alberta, better access and improved efficiency.
The Royal Alexandra Hospital Foundation raised more than $8 million for the new centre. Premier Ed Stelmach took part in the opening on May 2nd. And that's it for this edition of Your Alberta Online. Thanks for joining us.